At Lifeproof Boats, our mission is to build boats built for anything, that can handle anything. And it all starts here in the welding department. My name is Ira Garrett. My position is a welding lead, and I've been here for 3.5 years at Lifeproof. Our department handles the welding, fabrication, and construction of the boat. It's critical that we get our part right because all the people that come after, the riggers, the collar people, if we do our job correct, it makes their job a lot easier.
What keeps me working here at Lifeproof really is the community that we have in the company. We're all pretty close with each other. Everyone's usually in a pretty good mood. As long as you're eager to come in and learn, that's the biggest thing. Show up with a good attitude. We're eager to teach people too.
I've found that I really like the people I work with, and I definitely get to take a sense of pride in knowing that we make a good product here. I'm someone who's always enjoyed building things, spent some time working retail. I didn't feel very fulfilled. I come here and at the end of the day I get to go home feeling proud of what I've done.
At Lifeproof Boats, what we do here is more than a job. We set the standard for our industry.